Hello everyone, and welcome to the official kickoff of the Hello GPT-4o AI Challenge.
Reflecting on the Hello GPT-4o Hackathon, hosted by Lab AI, let's celebrate the remarkable applications developed across mental health, language learning, and healthcare. First place was clinched by Emma, your future AI mental health guide. Emma offers therapy tailored with cognitive and dialectical behavior therapies, adapting to your emotional needs with precision. Soon, Emma will also recognize your emotional cues in real time, enhancing personalized support. Lang grabs second place, transforming your language learning process. This app turns your notes into interactive quizzes and conversational practices, dynamically adjusting to your learning pace. In third place, Built4Health innovates in the digital healthcare space, extracting essential data from multimedia and X-rays to aid medical diagnostics. Step into the future of AI with Lab AI. Join our next hackathon and start creating. Visit our website to learn more and sign up today. Let's innovate together.